Many people would like to turn on the auto brightness mode on the phone. In this situation, when we use WPS Office to read a PDF document, how can we adjust screen brightness just for the reading interface? We can quickly adjust the brightness with the PDF brightness adjustment function for a more comfortable reading experience. This function only changes the brightness of the reading interface rather than that of other applications on your phone. For example, when reading this document, we can get into the Tool tab and view. Then we can adjust the brightness in the Reading settings within the drag bar. If you're reading in a dark environment, the night mode allows you to read more comfortably, which gives you eye care. The brightness settings made in WPS will not change the brightness of other applications. That is to say, when you exit the document, the brightness will return to the same as that previously. Is that practical for you?